Hello, welcome back to another 1-minute tutorial. Today we are going to look at HTML links and how you can work with links. Now in HTML you can create hyperlinks using the anchor tag, and I'm going to show you the example. So you simply create an anchor tag and it has an attribute href. Now from the description you can see that fragment of the hyperlink. Now href means hypertext reference. It's an attribute which is used with the anchor tag or anchor element to define an anchor link reference, which is ideally the destination URL. So let me show you an example. So say for example, I want to reference this to Wikipedia. So I'm going to write here Wikipedia, and then I'm going to go all the way. I'm going to go all the way to Google and search for Wikipedia, and I'll click on that. What I'll do is I'm going to copy that link, and then I'll come here inside my href attribute and I paste that link here. So when I go to my web page, HTML links, you can see I have the word Wikipedia, and when I click on it, it will redirect me to Wikipedia. This is how we create external links in HTML. So let me specify this. So what if we have the link within the page that we want to link? What we are going to do is we're going to create a new file and we're going to call it about.html. And inside it, I'll just create a dummy content, and I'll create a h2 here and write about HTML, and then I'll put a paragraph with some dummy content. And you can see this is our about page. So now I want to create a link that can redirect me to that. So I'll create an anchor tag, and inside that I'm going to reference about.html. So I'll just write about.html and I'll put the word here about HTML. When you go back to our web page, you can see there's Wikipedia and about. So let me just create a break here so that it differentiates what you're working with. So now we have Wikipedia and about. So when I click on this, I expect to go to about.html. So this is basically how you create links. And there are many other ways you can create links. For example, for something redirecting to nothing, you can just put hash. And if you're linking to IDs or section, you can just put hash, the ID name. And there are very many ways to work around links. And this is just the basics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.